Welcome to Math 122. This is an introduction to how to use the lecture videos. Let's get started with why and how to watch them. The biggest deal is actually taking the time to watch the assigned videos. The videos are your class lecture. They are the class content. They're where you're going to learn the new concepts and review old concepts that are going to help you be successful in this class. I will not be standing up in front of the class and lecturing each day. There are no classroom lectures. Your lecture time is through the Math 122 videos in the comfort of your own home or the library or wherever you study with your computer. And the beauty is, if you need to see something again, you can hit repeat. If you need to fast forward through something because you just get it, or if you just want to pause and let something sink in. These are all things you can do with a video, but not with a live teacher. I don't happen to have a repeat or a fast forward button. I can pause for you, but that sometimes leads to frustration for other students. So it's really great that you each get to learn at your own pace in the comfort of your own study space. So make sure you're watching the assigned videos. The schedule for watching the videos. It's a little confusing at first, but I'll remind you each day of what's assigned and when it's due. For week 1, day 1, we're watching the first half of the week 1 videos. And I let you know exactly where to start and stop in the video to prepare for day 1. For day 2 of week 1, that'll be Wednesday or Thursday, depending upon what day your class is, you need to have the second half of the week 1 lecture video prepared. And it'll continue that way. For the week 2 videos, you'll prepare the first half for the first day of week 2 and the second half for the second day of week 2. And we'll continue splitting the videos into each week, watching them half and half for the first half of the week, half for the second half of the week, until week 5, where we'll watch the video all at once because that's a much shorter video. Again, I'll remind you in class each day what's due when. So you need to prepare the videos and take notes, because twice a week you're going to be given a video quiz. And the quiz will be on problems that were in your packet, your note packet, that you need to record information on as you're working through the video lectures. So for instance, here's a page from the week 2 video notes. And it says week 2 on it. You don't download your packet each week from the portal under content, and it'll say week 1 lecture notes or week 2 lecture notes. You download this packet and download it and print it one-sided. That way, as you're working through a problem, if you run out of space, you can draw yourself a little arrow and flip over to the back side and continue on the back side. It's great to have all your lecture notes right on the packet, so you're not scrambling around trying to find those loose leaf sheets of paper that you're not sure where you left. Take all your notes right on your video packet. So I'll give you a video quiz for each lecture that's assigned, and all you need to do is copy the problem that I asked for. You won't know ahead of time which one, so maybe for this packet I'll ask for page 1, the example under solutions to two variable equations. And all you would have to do is copy down this information that you took notes on during the lecture. It's very simple. The video quizzes are not meant to be hard. They're a no-brainer. They're just copying things from your notes, and they should take only about 15 minutes during each class period that I give you one. Alright, let's take a look at how to take careful notes. Again, we said take your notes right on the packet, write small so you've got plenty of room, no big loopy handwriting, because there will oftentimes be some long problems. Secondly, keep them organized. There's a packet for each week, week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 5 packets. If you've got them in order in your binder, you'll be able to find them when you need them to work on homework or to complete a quiz or even to take your final, because everything is open notes in this class. So keep those notes organized. And again, why keep them organized? So you can find them for the video quizzes as well as your homework and your content quizzes. Alright, the next big point. Keep your notes and use them. don't throw a packet out. We need all of our notes packets right through the final. How to use them? Well, let's say you're working on homework 1. Well, it sure will be handy to have week 1 notes packet in front of you, because there are examples in the lecture that will help you with the homework, and likewise with the quizzes. So have your notes packet out. If you're doing week 1 homework, homework 1 and 2, have the week 1 packet out. Working on homework 3 and 4, have the week 2 packet out, etc. Each week's lecture will have 2 homework assignments. Alright, next, some of the lecture videos will ask you to create note cards, such as when we're working on the quadratic formula, or the slope formula, or other procedures that are repeated over and over again. Do make those note cards when I suggest it. Also, during class, I'm going to give you this little cheat sheet. It'll sit on your desk daily, and I'll also make you a copy to take home. And it's got some great information about commonly used procedures also, and commonly used formulas. So don't forget to use it. Alright, and keep your notes in order also, so that you can use them on the 4 content quizzes. Those quizzes are very important. They're 40% of your grade, and again, open notes allowed. So if you've got your note packets handy, that's going to make those quizzes much easier. Finally, the last main point. Class time is reserved only for working on homework. Again, 9 homework assignments, and we have 10 days of class. So it's very important that we complete a homework assignment each day in class. If you haven't watched the lecture videos and taken the notes, it's going to be impossible to keep up with that schedule. So again, please watch your lecture videos outside of class when assigned. The other purpose of class time is to take video quizzes, which are each about 15 minutes, and content quizzes, which take approximately an hour, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending upon the student. Class time is not for watching the lecture videos in class. You're going to get seriously behind if you're not doing that at home. So I have great confidence that you're all going to be on board with this, and watch the assigned videos and take the notes and prepare for class each day. Thanks, and now you can begin your first video on operations with integers. Good luck!